Hi everyone, welcome to Chefs Together. It's Adit here and my mom here. Today we are going to be making crispy and tasty lollipop fried chicken. We will need 6 pieces of lollipop chicken, little coriander, chili according to your taste, a sprig of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and quarter a teaspoon of garam masala. So before we start with the recipe, my mom is going to, and also salt. We will also be using salt, and the salt is according to your taste. Now my mom is going to be teaching how to cut the lollipop chicken.
Hi friends, so I'm just going to teach you how to cut a lollipop chicken. This is how we normally when we buy order for lollipop chicken in the restaurant. So this is the shape that we get, but actually when we buy fresh cut chicken from the butcher, we don't get it that way. We get it like this, and it is really difficult to understand how we can do and convert it into this shape. So now I'm just going to teach you how to cut this portion of chicken into this. Here we go. Now we are going to cut this piece of chicken which actually will be attached to the wing part from this side. So we have already chopped it off. Now we are going to see how to cut this chicken. Now to start with, we are going to remove this part of the chicken, this portion which is boneless. So we are just going to remove that. You don't have to waste it, you can use it for frying, and the skin piece can be removed. So now what we'll have to do is, we will have to just use a sharp knife, jet this into this and remove it like this. We are trying to detach this portion of chicken from the knuckle where it is holding to. So we are just going to repeat this till we get it done. So that's it. It doesn't take much longer. So once we are done, we are just going to move this upward. Now you can hold this bone comfortably and repeat this like this. We are just going to keep pushing the meat to the edge. Now once that is done, we are going to twist and turn the chicken piece. Here we go. Our lollipop chicken is ready. Similarly, we have arranged cut the other pieces as well. So once we are done, so here we are, we can marinate in the masala and deep fry them. Finally, we will be tempering it with curry leaves and coriander to give it a South Indian finish. We can also go with the Chinese version of it with sauces, but today we are going to make the Indian version.
Now let's start the marination process. First I'm taking the chicken pieces. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar, one and a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste,
No.
I'll be adding the spices. We'll be using the coriander, curry leaves and the chili later. We'll be using them for finishing it. Now I'm adding the cornstarch. Wait, Adit.
We will marinate first, then we will add the corn flour.
Okay, mix it well.
While doing this, remember that you don't ruin the shape of the lollipop. Otherwise, there are chances that it might flip off. So you just ensure that you are marinating it well with mixing with all the spices. But remember, you will have to retain the shape of it. Mix it well.
Now we are adding 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it just as my mother told. Be careful that it doesn't lose its shape. Mix it well. Our chicken is ready. You have mixed it up well. Make sure that you haven't lost your lollipop chicken shape. While cooking it, keep your flame at medium low so that it cooks really well. Now we are going to be adding the chicken into the pan. Now the oil is hot. Now you can fry the lollipop chicken. Let the chicken cook in medium low flames until it cooks well. Lollipop chicken is ready. We have cooked it. Now we are going to give it a final touch. Now for the final touch we will be using quarter teaspoon of chili powder, a little red color powder, and we will also be using 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it well. Now I'm adding the curry leaves, a few curry leaves, and I have slit the green chilies. I'm adding it to this. Maybe a little more of water and mixing it. We have added half a tablespoon of oil in a hot pan. You can use the pan which you can use the oil which you fried. Now we are going to be adding the water, the curry leaves and the chilies. Now we have got to make sure that the water doesn't evaporate. Now we need to add the chicken. Once you see the masala to be sizzling, you need to add the chicken. Give it a nice stir. Our chicken is ready. It's looking beautiful. Now we have got to finish it with this garnish. Our yummy, crispy and delicious lollipop chicken is ready. This is looking beautiful. Well, hope you like this recipe. This looks amazing. Please try it out and tell us how it went on for you. Please subscribe to our channel Chefs Together, and don't forget to click on that bell button so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Subscribe to our channel Chefs Together. It's Adit signing off and my mom signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.